friends, welcome to ubuntu.com. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to install Ubuntu 25.04. Ubuntu is a free, open source and user-friendly operating system. It's one of the Debian-based Linux operating system. Then here I have to give a new feature and a minimum system requirement for Ubuntu 25.04. Okay, now let us see how to install Ubuntu 25.04. Before start the OS installation, need to download and boot your Ubuntu OS on your USB or DVD. Once boot your installation setup, the following screen will appear. Then we have to choose the installation language. Here I have to choose English. Then after choose the language, we have to click on install Ubuntu. And then here we have to see about updates and other software options. So choose which type of OS you want. Please select that type of OS, like minimal or graphical. So here we are going to use the normal installation method, like graphical option. Then click on the continue. Then next here we have to choose the installation type. So if you want to utilize your whole storage, choose the erase everything and install Ubuntu. But here we are going to do a manual partition, so choose the something else. Then click on the continue button. Then here we have to click on the new partition table and click on the continue. Now here we can able to see the free space. So here we have to choose the free space. Then click on the plus. Here we can able to see the create partition. So here first of all I am going to choose the boot. Select the boot. Then give your size. Here we are going to give 500 MB. Then select your file system. Then click on the OK. Then after create the boot partition, then again we have to choose the free space. Then click on the plus. Then here we have to choose the size of swap partition. Then here we have to choose the partition type. Then click on the OK. Now swap partition also created. Then finally we have to choose free space. Then click on the plus. Then select your primary partition. Then select your file system. Then finally we have to give slash. Then click on the OK. Now here all partition has been successfully created. Then finally we have to click on the install now. Then click on the continue. Then in this page here we have to choose your time zone. Then click on the continue. Then in this screen we have to give username and password of the account. Then we have to click on the continue. Now the installation is going on. Now the Ubuntu OS installation is completed. After installation we have to reboot our machine. So here we have to restart now. Now we can able to log in our user account. Now finally we can able to use this Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. That's the option how to install Ubuntu 20.04.